Hello guys, welcome back. We had a snowstorm last night and there's quite a bit of snow today. There's about 3 feet of snow in my yard. So I thought that was the best time to do a quick review of that engine that I bought at Princess Auto. It's a 6.5 horsepower and it's 208 cc. Today is minus 12. I actually took the snowblower 3 times this winter already, and the coldest time that I took it was actually minus 22 degrees Celsius. It was quite cold, and it did manage to start that very quickly. Actually, after 3/4 of the pull start, it just ran, and it went actually quite well. So let's see if that's gonna start today. How about that? 2 pull. Just gonna let it warm up for a little while. But so far I've been quite impressed with that engine. It's a power first engine. And I didn't have any problem this winter with it. It always stuff as good as this, as you see now. And there's quite a bit of power for a small engine like that. I'm just gonna put the camera aside, and I'm just gonna start using it on the yard. like I said, I'm quite impressed with this engine. So far it's been performing really well, and it doesn't froze or anything, even though there's snow sometimes that fall right onto the engine, and it doesn't affect it. So I'm quite pleased with it. As you can see, the snow is almost clear, and it only took me a few minutes, so quite satisfied with it. I would definitely recommend this engine for the price. It was like I said earlier, it was like below $200 Canadian delivered to my house, so it was really cheap. So thank you again for listening, and if you like these videos, please share them and comment, please.